Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Prism CAD Academy. Today we are going to see solid modeling of lathe leg. So let's go. Just click on new, give the file name lathe leg, then select MMNS part solid ABS template. You can find this PDF in description box. First we are going to locate the views in PDF. So this is front view. This is right view. This is left view. And this is top view. According to that, we have to create model. So firstly, we take the extrude. So we are taking top view to draw 2 foots. Draw rectangles. Make them symmetric about axis. Then take a front plane, draw this trapezoidal shape. This dimension is 110, height is 130. Take references. Draw this line to this end. This line dimension is 55. Close the loop. Mm extrude. Then take top surface. Draw the sketch. Dimension are 65. This is 40. Make it symmetric about axis. This cut dimension also 40. Then click OK. Extrude downward by 10 mm. Now we have to draw side ribs. For that, select side surface. Locate point at 55, 40 and 30. So this is 55. The height is 32. The height is 32 here also. This dimension is 40. This is 30. The height is 32. Now we have to draw a line through this point and complete the loop. Now for smooth curve, we are deleting this line and use spline curve here through this point. Then extrude other side also. Locate same points as earlier. Now we have to give holes to top surface. For that, select extrude, draw two circles. So dimension between them is 60. So give it. This is 32 and the diameter is 14.5. Extrude it and remove the material. Now we are going to give holes to this plate. Just draw this circle and remove the material. So one more feature is there. Just select inner surface and take extrude. Here take a offset of 10 mm. Project all the curves here. And make them corner here to get a closed loop. Then click OK, extrude it. By 18. Now the model is almost done. Just we have to give round to this part. So fillet and round for this part is R3. In this way, we can create this model. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.